Hey, welcome back to the channel. Y'all know my hair is always a mess. I've been in here working on projects, people's orders and stuff like that. So all last week, most of you know that I was sick, so I really didn't do anything. I didn't have a chance to make a video to put on here, but I did get a nice, I got epoxy on my finger. I did get a nice package of a whole bunch of brand new epoxy molds from Sabrina Indiana's Journey. And I don't have any of these molds, so let's open them up and check them out together. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much, Sabrina. I really appreciate that. So the first one that I actually didn't know, it was in the bottom of the bag. It goes like that. It's actually a little trinket Christmas tree tray. So you fill it that way, like that. It's kind of cute. So that's one of the new epoxy molds. And I want to say thank you, how rude of me, to all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. All right, she got me, let's open this up. I can at least show you guys the new molds I got. I can't show you some of the stuff I'm working on because some people don't want it shown. These are hearts, little bitty hearts, but they're like keychains. And she was thinking I could maybe make some scratchers out of them, so I'll definitely try. They're a good size. So that's really cool. All right, here's another one. She sent quite a few. She ordered quite a few things for us. I said for us, but for me, you know what I mean. So this here is actually a coaster set. Here's the coaster holder. Once you fill it in, it's actually skulls. You guys check that out. Isn't that cool? And then they sit in the coaster holder like that. Just like that. When you stick their little bottom part of their jaw and they stick up like that. So that's really cool. I haven't seen these molds, but I have seen the skull coaster sets on like Etsy and all that stuff. So to kind of show you how big they are. This is definitely a bigger coaster set. So that's just I don't even know. This is a 8-ounce cup. But they're really cool. I can't wait to mess around with them. The first ones I make are going to be for Sabrina, that she was so kind to get these molds for me. So it comes with 4 coasters and a coaster holder. So that's really cool. This one here I did open. I don't know if I'm going to have any time to do any of them. But they're Christmas ornaments. Different ones. Let me tell y'all, I am busy. Like, not just the people from YouTube ordering stuff, but family, friends, hearsay, parents, jobs, their co-workers. I'm busy with this stuff. But check that out. It's 2 sheets of different ornaments. And it even got the little hole thing there. So I don't know. I can't wait to do the skulls, the Christmas tree. And here's another one, you guys. I really, really appreciate it, Sabrina. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, you guys. I don't have no fancy video today. This is a dragon, y'all. Check this dragon out. This freaking thing is badass. Look at that dragon. I mean, this is a good size. Like, that's a big thing. That'll definitely take a lot of epoxy, but I can't wait to try it, y'all. So, yeah, but I got to catch up on people's orders. But yeah, that dragon's pretty big. That is so cool. I don't know how well you can see the details in them. Check that out. So we got the dragon. We got some ornament molds. We got the little Christmas tree trinket tray, which that's kind of cool. We got some hearts. And she got me some other stuff. She got me some glitters. There's some more fine glitters. She actually got me some nail stuff. So thank you so much, Sabrina. I appreciate you so much. And I can't wait to make these skull coasters. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for all the love and support. If you are interested in getting something made, my email is in the description. Shoot me an email, and I can definitely try to squeeze some more orders in, the orders that I'm doing now. Thanks again, Sabrina Indiana Journey, for all these molds and all the epoxy. She actually, guys, are you freaking kidding me, y'all? There's a fly in here, so I got to go kill this damn fly. Until next time, you guys, thank you so much for love, support, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.